Hello, today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 yogurt bowl recipes that are great for a healthy breakfast. So let's just jump right into it. The first recipe is orange and dark chocolate yogurt bowl. I'm going to start by getting a bowl and adding some Greek yogurt to it. Use as much as you want. And then I'm going to get one orange and just cut it in half. I'm then going to use it to squeeze out the orange juice. We're going to use around 1 tablespoon of it. Give it a good mix so that the orange juice combines with yogurt. And then I'm going to get another orange, peel it and chop it, and top our yogurt bowl with it. Then get 1 square of dark chocolate and grate it. Top it all up as well. And get 1 tablespoon of pecans, which I'm going to chop, and that's it. Our yogurt bowl is ready, beautiful and delicious. The next recipe is cinnamon apple yogurt bowl. I'm going to start by getting half an apple and peeling it. We then want to deseed it and of course dice it. I'm then going to take a saucepan and add in our chopped apple, then 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. We want to cover all that with 1/8 of a cup of water. Now we're going to heat up the saucepan to low heat and let it cook until the apple is soft. This took me around 10 to 12 minutes in total to do. While cooking apples, make sure you're stirring them to keep them cooking. Once done, let the cooked apples cool down and get our bowl out. I'm going to add in our Greek yogurt and top it all up with our apples. And of course, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of walnuts, which we are first going to chop. So chop them and add them in and enjoy. This is a lovely yogurt recipe for those cold winters. The third recipe is berry and granola yogurt bowl, which is super simple. I'm going to add in my Greek yogurt as much as you want and add in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut. We're going to give this a good stir, and finally we're going to top it all up with 2 tablespoons of granola. Make sure it doesn't have a lot of added sugar. And then I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of raspberries, 1/3 of a cup of blackberries, and 1/3 of a cup of blueberries. Yum, yum, yum. This is an easy peasy breakfast that's super refreshing. Still watching? Do make sure to click that like and subscribe buttons to help this channel grow. Now the next recipe is peanut butter banana yogurt bowl. I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and melt it. Use microwave to do that. Melt it just for a couple minutes. Make sure you don't burn it. You want to mix that in a bowl with yogurt and give it a good stir while it's still melted. Then we're going to take 1 banana and take our time and slice it. We're going to then top up our yogurt bowl with it. Finally, add in 1/4 of a cup of ground flax seeds and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Give this yogurt bowl a good mix before you're actually eating it. You want to eat that flaxseed because it's high in protein. This cashew lime yogurt bowl is something else. I'm going to start by getting 1 tablespoon of cashew butter and adding it to our yogurt bowl. Give it a good mix before adding the toppings. I'm then going to top it off with 1/3 of a cup of blueberries that are fresh. And then I'm going to take my mango, cut through it, peel it, and make sure to slice it. We're then going to put the slices on top of the yogurt bowl. Finally, get 1 lime in a grater and just grate the lime zest all over the bowl. It will make the yogurt taste extra nutritious, delicious, and just yum. The 6th recipe is jam, peanut butter, and strawberries yogurt bowl. I'm going to start by getting a bowl, adding the Greek yogurt to it, and of course, adding in 1 tablespoon of strawberry jam. Use the jam you love the most. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and put it into microwave to melt. Don't overcook it. We're going to then drizzle it all over the yogurt. Then top it all up with 1 tablespoon of granola and of course get 3 strawberries. Take your time and slice them beautifully because we're gonna put them on top of the yogurt as well. This Greek yogurt is full of strawberries. It's delicious, refreshing, and you know what? You're gonna want more. The 7th recipe is almond and coconut yogurt bowl. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of almond butter into our yogurt. Give it a good mix, and then I'm going to top it all up with 1 tablespoon of granola, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa nibs. Yes, they are bitter but delicious. Then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened shredded coconut. Make sure it is unsweetened. And of course, 1/4 of a cup of raspberries for that extra freshness. This is a great yogurt bowl for those cold seasons when you're craving for more protein and more fiber. Now the 8th yogurt bowl is summer fruit one. We're going to start by getting our Greek yogurt and mixing in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Take your time to do it right. I'm then going to get a blender out and add in 1 cup of frozen summer fruits and then 1/2 cup of orange juice. Give it a good blend until it's one smooth texture, although you might have bits and that's totally fine. So the next step is actually to cover the yogurt with the blended fruits. It's gonna look extra nice and delicious. Enjoy it. And finally, I'm going to get some almonds and chop them. That's around 1 tablespoon. Just top the yogurt up with it. And then take 1 kiwi, carefully peel it, and of course slice it, because we're going to put it on a yogurt bowl as well. And of course 1/3 of a cup of raspberries, because they're so delicious and go so well with kiwi here. That's it. This is your refreshing summer fruit bowl. You can mix it full of vitamins. For the times when you're missing chocolate, make this yogurt bowl chocolate pecan. I'm going to start by getting our Greek yogurt and adding in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, that's of course melted. I'm then going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, make sure it's unsweetened, and then 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Maple syrup is a nice sweetener. Give all these ingredients a very good mix before you start with the toppings. Top it all up with 1 tablespoon of granola, 2 tablespoons of pecans, make sure you chop them before that, and then 1/3 of a cup of raspberries, and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut. Yum, yum, yum. This chocolate pecan is a little more special while it's very easy to make. The last but not least is lemon and strawberries yogurt bowl. I'm going to start by getting 1 lemon and actually halving it. Basically squeeze out the lemon juice out of it. We're going to use around 1 tablespoon of it. And then I'm going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds. Give your yogurt bowl a very good mix before starting with the toppings. Take 4 strawberries and slice them as well as you can and add it into the bowl. Then I'm going to get some almonds and chop them. Top it all up with them too. Finally, top up with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut and get another lemon and just grate it into the yogurt bowl. The zest is so good and refreshing for this kind of recipe. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked any of these yogurt bowls, please subscribe and like this video. Do visit my website at allnutritious.com to get more recipes like this. They are nice and nutritious. Either way, have a lovely day. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.